What's this? Going to landfill, I see. Wow, is that yet another Hamilton Beach microwave? It sure is, because whenever people dump their microwaves, it's one of 3 brands, and this is one of them. Over a bit. It is absolutely beyond disgusting. I don't know how people live like that. And once again, there's no Magnetron in here. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but there's no Magnetron inside of here. So me destroying this thing has absolutely no consequence at all unless I get myself cut or something. And yeah, I took off. And yeah, I'm gonna just take this off because it's just gonna make noise and not actually get destroyed, so. Gotta love security screws. Just. Useless. Let's get a nice slow-mo shot of that glass. I bet that looked really good in slow motion. Onto the sledgehammer. That a fancy fan. Of course, all the fancy background stuff has to fall. Ooh, golf club. No, not the amazing door. What's that? It's metal. I need to get that off. There you go. Hamilton Beach microwave is done.